Welcome to Precious Pips. I hope all of you are doing good. So I was having a little cold, so that's why I was unable to make videos. So pardon me for the inconvenience. So let's start with this week analysis. So this week is starting from Monday, September 22 to Friday, September 26. So today is Monday, September 22, and we don't have any news events. So tomorrow we have a very important news event. Okay, and on Wednesday we don't have any news event, and Thursday unemployment claims, and this Friday core PCE price index. So overall very important trading week. Israel Gaza conflict. Israel expanding into central and western Gaza City. Tunnels and high rises hit, 60 Palestinians killed. Massive displacement, hundreds thousands fleeing, aid still blocked. Western recognition of Palestinian state adds diplomatic instability. UN and Arab nations condemn Israel, pushing for economic diplomatic actions. Doha incident, Israeli strike on Hamas leaders in Doha caused outrage. Arab Islamic summit held, warnings of further Israeli operations abroad. Middle East global energy impact. Oil prices rising modestly on Middle East plus Ukraine-Russia tensions. Gold market context. So gold is near record highs. Fed's dovish stance. Rate cuts expected this year. Bullish for gold. US core PCE inflation data upcoming this Friday. So that's a very key to Fed's next move. US is rebounding from multi-years lows. Negative for gold. So I'll show you on the chart. So stock markets in risk on mood. Investors shifting to equities. So headwind for gold. A little bit retracement or correction for gold is expected. Let's start our analysis. So this is the monthly chart here, and as you can see traders, 8 days to go, and already a very big bullish candle. So let's see if we can continue this week. So this is the weekly candle, and already we have started that bullish trend. So let's see if we can continue. So this is the daily candle, and after some correction here, okay, after some correction, so we are again continuing that up move. All right traders, so let's move on to our main chart, and before that I'll show you the US dollar in the weekly time frame. As you can see traders, we have already rebounded from here. Okay, so this is the weekly chart, and as you can see, we have already rebounded from the low, from the previous lows. So this is the weekly lows, and we rebounded from this level here. Okay, so whenever there's a up move in the US dollar, so we can expect some correction moves in gold. So this is gold, and already I have marked the previous day, previous week low and high. Okay, so blue one is the previous week low and high. So let's go to the daily, and also you can see traders, I have already marked the previous day low and previous day high. Okay, and as you can see traders, after crossing the previous day high, we got a beautiful move towards uptrend. Okay, so you always need to mark the previous day high and previous day low, also the previous week. So this weekly range, daily range helps us in our trading bias. Okay, helps us in our trading direction. Okay traders, so we don't have much. So what levels do we have here? So first thing first, we had this resistance level. Okay traders, and now I'll explain you who is available in the market. So what players are available in the market, whether they are buyers or sellers. Okay, so in the 2 hours time frame, as you can see traders, market first started creating a down move from here. Okay, a corrective move from here. Suddenly we got a spike, and all these sellers were removed. Okay, so all these sellers were hunted, and then again market created that down move. Again market created that down move, created some sellers, and again those sellers were hunted. Okay, so 2 times sellers were already hunted. So now we only had the sellers over here. So people who are selling here, so they will never have the stop losses here. Okay, so this stop loss is a very big range, and intraday players, they always place their stop losses near above. Okay, they're selling entry. So as you can see, after this top hunt, price created a down move, and again then we came and hunted. Okay traders, and here as you can see, we have this important level. We created a rally, we created a base, and then a drop. Okay, and here as you can see, when the price again entered in that base area, so price created a rally, base, and rally. Okay, so as you can see, this candle is rally, so this candle is base, and again a rally. Okay, so this area is very important for us. Okay, so this area, I have explained you all the geopolitical tensions and all the important news events. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to our channel for daily updates, traders. Okay, all right, so this is a very important buying level for us. So now what we are expecting, so all the liquidity is been hunted over here. So as you can see, this was the weekly high and also the all-time high. So we created a new all-time high. So we are expecting for that correction move. Okay, so we are expecting for that correction move until this level. So this level is 3663, 3676. Okay traders, and also we have our moving averages aligned. Okay, so this is the 50 and this is the 100 moving average, simple moving average. Okay, so here you can see traders, so I'm using the simple moving averages. Okay, and on the 1 hour time frame also, as you can see, we have the moving averages aligned over here. Just a moment. Okay, so as you can see traders, we have all the moving averages aligned over here. So this is a very important buying zone for us. Okay, so after the breakout of this and this, then only we will be expecting some downtrend moves. Okay, because we have our previous day low and previous week low over here. So after the breakout of this level and all our levels, then we will be entering some down moves. Okay, so until that we are super bullish and we have some upcoming events. Okay, so we are expecting for that retracement. Already price has created a new all-time high. We are expecting that correction move, and then again we are expecting to continue that upside direction. Okay traders, so this is the only analysis. If I have any updates, so I will update in our Telegram channel, which is 100% free, and the link is in the description traders. Okay, so happy trading traders, and I hope you make a lot of profits today. So I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, peace out.